This is one of those questions I get that I hate answering because there's just no quick way to make $1 million. There's a faster way, but no like really quick shortcut. But this should help you, right? When people ask, what's the fastest way to make $1 million? You can make $1 million doing anything, but this, it, oh, I swear this just annoys the absolute piss out of me. But I'm going to break it down and help you guys out because what you're doing is completely fucking wrong. And you got to stop listening to the yahoos who are like, yeah, do this and this and this, and this is how you make $1 million really fast. No, like it's going to be a lot of fucking hard work. But guess what? You can actually enjoy the process if you do these things. First off, you got to stop the trendy shit, okay? Like, you're not going to be the next great Forex trader or drop shipper or whatever. I'd say this shit all the time. Like, everybody wants to be the next great, trader or bot creator or whatever the fuck. That's just, it's not going to happen because most people don't have a natural proclivity to be good in that fucking arena. Okay, that's just not how it fucking works. Can you get good at it? Yes, but it's going to take a lot of time, effort, and probably fucking money, to be honest with you. Money that you probably don't have. So what would you do instead? What should you do instead? Do what the smart people do. Focus on what you're fucking good at, right? Instead of following passion products or trends or whatever the fuck, do what you're good at, right? Instead of trying to be the next great Forex trader, if your ass is fucking amazing at making like epoxy tables and shit, do that. Charge people that. That's your skill set is gonna be in demand no matter what you think or how you feel or whatever. You're gonna make money with it. Stop doing all the extra shit. Stop like, oh, I gotta get in with this prop firm and blah, 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 make all this money. You're just not. But you can make a shit ton of fucking money doing what you're good at. And if that's epoxy fucking tables, run that shit up to the fucking moon. Market it organically on social media. Then start running paid ads, grow it. Hire yourself some fucking help so that way you can scale your business because that's what it's all about, right? Stop trying to do all the quick shit to make money because it usually doesn't work. I actually only know a handful of people that got rich from the quick shit. And as fast as it came, is as fast as it fucking went. Because they didn't really build a skill set or anything. They were just, okay, this is what's trendy. But when that trend fucking dies, guess what? Your money dies along with it. So you have to reinvent yourself. You have to do all this extra shit. Guys, like, just do what you're fucking good at. Stop trying to do what everyone else does. If you're great at landscaping, if you're great at gardening, if you're great at cake baking, if you're great at whatever the fuck it is, do that. Create a business out of that, a service-based business out of that, because service-based businesses are always going to be in style. Always. They don't just go away. They don't just disappear. That's the fastest way you're going to make $1 million. Is it going to be really quick? No, but by far the fastest way. Like being trendy, probably not going to happen for you. So take that how you fucking will. But I'm telling you, that's the way it fucking works.